In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change time zone in Lark. If your meetings, messages, or calendar events are showing at the wrong times, adjusting your time zone in Lark will fix that in just a moment. Start by opening the Lark app on your phone or on your computer. Either works. The layout may look slightly different depending on your device, but the process is the same. From the main screen, go to your profile area. This might appear as My Lark, Profile, or simply your avatar in the corner. Once you're there, look for the gear icon to open Settings. That gear is your hub for all app preferences, including time and date options. Inside Settings, you're looking for a section labeled Time and Date, or Time Zone. The exact wording can vary with app versions, so scan for anything related to time. If you see an option called Displayed Time based on time zone, open it. This is where Lark determines how to label your chats, events, and timestamps. Now you'll choose how Lark handles time. If you pick Use Device Time Zone, also called Automatic, Lark will mirror whatever time zone your phone or computer is currently using. This is a great set-and-forget option if you travel often, or if your device already updates correctly for daylight saving time. If you prefer to control it yourself, select a time zone manually from the list. You'll usually see familiar city names or GMT offsets. Choose the location that best represents your work hours or the region you coordinate with most. Manual selection is helpful if your device's clock isn't accurate, or if you want Lark to stay pinned to a specific region regardless of where you are. After making your selection, save your changes. On some devices, you may see a Save or OK button. Tap that to confirm. In other versions, the setting may apply automatically once you choose it. Either way, take a second to confirm the change has been recorded. From now on, Lark will display events, chats, and timestamps using the time zone you set. That means calendar invitations will line up with your local time, message histories will be easier to follow, and reminders should trigger when you actually expect them. If you work across regions, remember that others may still see events in their own local time. Lark handles those conversions for each person. That's it. You've successfully changed the time zone in Lark. If you ever switch regions or update your device's clock, revisit these settings and adjust as needed to keep everything in sync.